What's up, D-Gens, meme maniacs? It's Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all. It is the Christmas festive season. I hope you're all well and healthy and ready for a massive week over Christmas. It's going to be massive for you guys with the family and all. I hope you have a fantastic week, and I hope you are all well and healthy on another Meme Monday. Meme Monday number 37. How is that audio sounding? Looks pretty good to me. Let me know if there's any issues. Looks okay. I think we're pretty good to go. Welcome to another Meme Monday number 37. What a series it's been. What an amazing year it has been since we started the DGen meme calls and started doing live streams every Monday. It's been a pretty fantastic year. And I have to say a big thank you to everyone who's on the DGen meme calls community, whether it's the free community or the premium community. Thank you guys for being a part of the community this year. We're hoping for a massive 2025, and it's going to be a huge 2025 because I believe the bull run is going to be pretty parabolic in the first 6 months at least for 2025. So there could be another meme super cycle or meme season coming in the early new year. I hope so. Anyway, that would be fantastic. So here we are. We're streaming on YouTube. So jump on YouTube. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. We're also streaming on Telegram, not Twitter, Telegram. So make sure you jump over to the free Telegram channel if you have not done so yet. The free Telegram channel is linked in the description of the video below on YouTube. So jump over there if you are not yet on the Telegram channel. Meme Monday live streams are open for everybody, but we do have some airdrops that we give away to the premium members, and people who are not premium members, we do have some access or 7-day access to 2 members or 2 people who are interested to have a look at the premium side of things, who want to try it out before they get involved and subscribe. So there's 2 premium giveaways to give away at the end of the stream, as well as the airdrops that we normally do for Meme Mondays. Now we're doing mainly the P&L, the profit and loss cards, rewards for weekly P&L cards. So that'll be at the end of the stream as well. So yeah, jump over to those channels, YouTube or Telegram. Make sure you jump in and get involved. So today on Meme Monday 37, we have obviously the news. Going to go through a few updates. The new channel is launching within today, so keep an eye out for that. DMC Scraper version 2.06, setting up Maestro for scraping on the premium channel. June volume stats, we're going to have a look at that compared to last week. Copy trade comparisons, I did a video on that. 200 members, competition is ongoing until Christmas Day. So airdrops and giveaways at the end of the live stream. So stick around for that. Let's jump in and have a look at what's going on. Now, the market has really dumped over the last week since the last Meme Monday, but without fear, or at least do not fear, because that's my position anyway. It is a buying opportunity, and I've been buying up nicely because, you know, I was taking profits when Solana was hovering around 240 to 260, busy taking profits around that level, and now I'm deploying those profits back into Solana in order to get these lower prices. So the whole crypto market has pretty much dumped, as well as regular market stuff. Everything's pretty much dumped since the announcement of the interest rate stuff last week in America. That's really put a bomb under the market. But that's what happens, you know, that's what happens. These things happen every year, literally. So it's an opportunity because the next 6 months is probably going to explode a lot like 2021. So keep an eye out for that. Now, the current movers today, we've got Aave. Aave has really been bombing since the election. It's been going absolutely bonkers. I've been watching Aave go nuts. We've got BNB going good today. Obviously Link, CKB, Phantom, which is now Sonic. So anyone who holds Phantom, make sure you change over to Sonic. Don't forget to do that. Fettuccine, I like that name. Solana, currently 183, so a lot lower than what it was last week. My goodness, that's gone down. And obviously Bitcoin, last week was 108,000. Now it is 95. Went down to 92, I think, or 93, I can't remember. But yeah, the market has been dumping, and if you've been around crypto long enough, you understand not to panic. So it's all good, apart from these silly little articles that come out, Solana falling faster than gravity. The bears appear to be taking control as the altcoin struggles to sustain its upward momentum, along with the whole crypto market, putting a critical $180 support level in a problem spot. Sol is currently trading at about $183, but a further decline may be imminent given the most recent market signals that indicate growing pessimism. The continuous pressure highlighted traders might not be as hopeful about a speedy recovery, even though Solana has made prior attempts to surpass its all-time high. Well, it did pass its all-time high. Solana's attempts to rally have encountered resistance. Where's my... in the $220 range in recent weeks, as the price has struggled to hold higher levels, but bears have taken advantage of the situation and driven the price lower. A decline in buying pressure has exacerbated this resistance, suggesting a waning sense of bullishness. I don't know who writes these. There are some liquidity concentrations around $175, as seen on the liquidation heat map. Bears may try to push the price towards or even below this support zone, but it's evident that $180 level is key concern for Solana, even though this might offer some initial support if the price rises. Well, it went down below 180 in the last 24 hours. It's back up again. Cryptocurrency world has been in turmoil for a few weeks. Well, really not a few weeks, just a week. Widespread losses and increased volatility are putting investor portfolios to test and eroding trust in several assets. However, some cryptocurrencies can stand out amid the confusion, grabbing analyst attention and igniting investors' interest. Yeah. Do not panic. Do not panic. It's all good. A lot can change in the cryptocurrency markets within 1 week, and this has been the case for the past 7 days or so. Just last Monday and Tuesday, Bitcoin posted fresh gains and shot up above 108K to mark its latest all-time high. However, the landscape started to change on Wednesday evening after the latest FOMC meeting. Bitcoin reacted with an imminent price drop to under $100,000. That was just the start. It kept plummeting in the following days, which culminated on Friday with a price slump of 92,000 to 92,000. BTC managed to stop the free fall at this point and even jumped over 99,000 on Saturday morning. However, that was short-lived again, and it fell to 96K on Sunday and is currently sitting there. Well, it's currently at 94, I think. The question now arises whether the new trading week will be any different given some of the factors that could impact BTC's price. Be interesting Christmas week and New Year's as well, seeing what happens with the price of Bitcoin, but I reckon it's just all white noise at the moment. It's all a bunch of noise until Trump gets into the presidency, and then we will see what really happens with the markets. Not just crypto markets, all the markets. So we shall see. Now the degen news around town, Sui has flipped ton. Sui is now above or flipped ton on the top market cap. Number 13 now, Sui. So that is pretty impressive. Really impressed with Sui. I think Sui's going to go a long way in the next few years. So well, one of my personal favorite bets if you're going to be investing in blue chip crypto. degen news, Bonk is the only top 10 meme coin by market cap that is up double digits in the past 24 hours. Now, after the initial crash, we had some coins that bounced better than others, and Bonk was one of those. So if you're a Bonk holder, feel confident about that bounce back, and hopefully when the new bull run comes in, or the continuation of the bull run comes in January, February, March, Bonk will hit new all-time highs, and that will be very, very nice for our portfolios. So that's interesting. Robinhood app lists Solana meme coin Bonk, so that might be partly to do with it as well, you know. Robinhood lists Bonk, so obviously that's going to have an impact on the token as well, being such a large application with a lot of members. So that would certainly help. Again, good news for Bonk holders. Binance to launch Camino Finance perpetual contracts with up to 75x leverage. This is very interesting. If you are a staker of Solana on Camino, this could be good news if you've been farming the airdrops on Camino. This project, Camino Finance, has got some serious potential behind it and some serious legs for the next 6 to 12 months. So do not doubt Camino Finance, and that is just a really nice bit of news for Camino Finance. That's going to be interesting to see how that impacts Camino for sure. So that is some interesting updates around the traps related to crypto and meme tokens and whatnot. Let's jump in and have a look around the town and check out what's happening. Now we've got a new channel launching today. So new channel launching today, but we'll just go through our little intro that we need to do for new members or people who are first time here watching the live stream. The DJ Meme Calls Premium channel, what services are currently available on the Premium channel. We have the DJ Wallet Checker, which is the bot that checks all the wallets for your Solana copy trading. You'll be able to check unlimited wallets. You'll be able to check contracts and get the top 100 traders for the contracts. You'll also be able to batch scan multiple wallets, up to 30 at this point, but there will be more in the future. You'll also be able to search our vault. Now our vault scans about 10,000 wallets per day and updates all of our wallet holdings for you guys to be able to search and find the wallets that suit your trading, your copy trading style. So DJ Wallet Checker, fantastic tool. Make sure you check that out. We have the calls, community takeover calls, smart money calls. We also have premium gambles, high market cap calls, as well as PumpFun signals. And we have the DJ Meme Calls, the Scrapbot, which auto trades all of those signals and all of those calls. And on top of that, we now have PumpFun bonding curve signals or alerts as well that are quite new. So coming in the new channel. And then there's live streams and airdrops, which you do every week, which you're watching right now. Now there is a premium walkthrough video, which you can watch, linked in the description below, but it will be updated over the next week or two before the next Meme Monday. So because we're changing the channel around and upgrading the channel, this walkthrough soon or after today will no longer be valid. So I will have to update this over the next week or two, but you can still watch this walkthrough to get an idea of what we do provide on the Premium channel and how to get involved and how to get into the Premium channel. So still very relevant, this video, but I will change it for the next Meme Monday. So keep an eye out for that. Again, our prices will remain the same. Nothing will be changing. We have currently 2 levels of membership, $30 and $45. Now the $45 will get you everything under the Premium channel. That'll get you the DJ Wallet Checker Premium side of things, unlimited scans. That will get you the Telegram Academy channel, as well as the calls, and as well as the Scrapbot to scrape our calls and auto trade the calls that we provide on the channel. So if you don't want that, the full kit, but I do recommend that. If you don't want that and you just want something like the calls or the Scrapbot, then there's the $30 for the auto trade or the Scrapbot, as well as the Telegram channel. Or if you're just interested in the DJ Wallet Checker, the premium side, is $30 per month for just the Wallet Checker by itself, which is a fantastic tool, and that is a fantastic price to pay for such a tool that provides the services that it does. So either you want the copy trading or you want just the calls, individually, or you want the full package, $45, which will get access to everything. I do recommend that because that'll get you a lot more access to support as well and the community. So pretty impressive prices for that, for the individual stuff, as well as the full package. $45 is an absolute steal. So we also have a referral program. If you didn't know, today is payday, so make sure you DM me if you do have some referrals in your DGen checker bot. So make sure you check your DGen checker bot and you hit on that referrals link, which will show you your referral link as well as your referral numbers here. So you'll have to let me know in order for me to pay for your referrals. We do this every Monday, so make sure you hit me up at the DMs. Let me know if you've got any referrals to pay and I'll pay those straight away. We do that every Monday. Now, if you don't know about the referrals, we do offer the ability to earn commission by referring friends and family. You get a 10% commission fee from their subscription, and you'll get that ongoing as well. So it applies to new subscribers as well as renewals. So every time someone renews that came in through you, you'll also get that referral fee as well. So nothing to sneeze at there. If you do bring in quite a few people, very well worth it. So let me know in the DMs. I will definitely send you your referral commission. Now, how to renew your subscription. Now, when you got into the premium side of DGen meme calls, you went through the DGen checker bot. You need to go back into the DGen checker bot. If you do not use it, make sure you go back into the DGen checker bot to check your membership expiry date. To do that, just click on membership, and obviously it'll just show you the expiry date right there as well. Click on membership. If you want to renew, it'll tell you membership type, premium, expiration date as well, and just hit continue, and then follow the instructions to send your payment over to this wallet address right here. So just follow those instructions. It's the same way you bought into the subscription in the first place, the same method. So just make sure you follow those instructions and hit confirm after you send in your renewal subscription. So very, very easy. Just go back to the DGen checker bot, go through the membership, hit continue and hit confirm after you've paid for your renewal. Simple stuff to do. Now we have airdrops and giveaways happening towards the end of this live stream. Top P&L cards, 0.5 Solana for the first place, 0.25 for second place. And I'm going to give away, like I said, 7 days access to 2 people who want to have a look at the premium membership and let me know, or decide whether they want to subscribe to the premium membership over 7 days. Now, if you are keen to get access to the premium membership for 7 days, don't have access yet, jump on the free Telegram channel linked in the description below and make sure you put your hand up, wave nice and high. Let us know if you want to get access to the premium membership. I'll give away 2 7-day access to that at the end of the live stream, or Raf will do it as it happens if he wants to do it today. So put your hand up, let us know if you do want to get access, and we'll organize that straight away. The first 2 people to put their hand up are the winners, so be quick. So the new channel is launching today. So this has been a bit of a work in progress, but it's definitely needed. With the channel growing as fast as it has been in the last couple of months, we really need to reorganize the channel and separate the calls and the chat. So today, the new channel will be launching. DGen Premium Calls channel is live and also has PumpFun bonding curve alerts. So look out in the DGen Meme Calls Premium channel, probably the main chat area, for the link to get access to the new calls channel. So that'll be available very soon from either Raf or Totti. So they will provide you the link in the main chat very soon today, and that will get you access to these new channels, or this new calls channel, which has the bonding curve as well. The PumpFun bonding curve signals, 60%, 70%, 80, 90, 95% bonding curve channels are also all there. So keep an eye out on the channel for that link via Raf or Totti. and that will be available today. So make sure you jump on that. And also the old calls, they will be deleted as of tomorrow. So this means earlier versions of the Scrapbot will not work. Scraper version 2.06, the new version, now works with the new calls channel available for download on the new channel. So when you jump over to the new channel via the link, you'll be able to download the new Scrapbot and start using that with the new calls. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to be deleting these channels like the live pump. What I will do initially is probably just put a link or an announcement at the bottom of these channels. Now, I'm not sure if they'll still be active. They probably will be. Anyway, keep an eye out for what's going to happen there. I may delete these tomorrow, or I may just add a link that will link you over to the new channels. I need to talk to Raf and Toti about that, whether that's going to be ideal or not, or we just delete those over the next 24 hours and we just keep the link in the main channel. So keep an eye out for that. But like I said, the new Scrapbot version 2.06 will be the one that works on the new calls channel, and the earlier versions, which were aimed towards the old calls channel, will be not working anymore. If these calls have stopped and deleted, then they will not be working anymore on that older version of the Scrapbot. We'll keep people updated on the channel every day over the next week or two, just to make sure people get up to speed and understand that that's what's happening. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Here's the new channel here. So DGM meme calls, premium calls. We have announcement, PumpFun migrations, PumpFun live, which is same as what we have on the old channel, but we also have the bonding curve stuff as well, 90%, 70%, as well as smart money and the wallet vault as well. So those are all there on the new channel. Again, like I said, keep an eye out for the link that comes through on the main chat there on the DJ Meme Calls premium channel for you guys to get access to that. Now the Scrapbot version 2.06, which I said is available now and targeting the new calls channel, you'll be able to download that when you get access to the new calls channel, which is, just jump over here on the announcements section. So on the announcement section of the new DJ Meme Calls premium channel, you'll see version 2.6 of the scraper here. So just make sure you download that and start utilizing that. And I suggest probably delete the previous versions that you have of the Scrapbot so you don't get confused. And when things don't work, you start asking questions and perhaps not sure about how to answer those, but just don't use the old versions, delete the old versions, use the 2.06 version that is on the new channels, and be easy for you to get back up and running with the new calls. Now there's two new bots that work in the Scrapbot version 2.06. We have BonkBot and Rect. So BonkBot, being the OG of meme calls trading, started updating their bot last week. So they've got some really exciting updates coming through and filtering through over the next few weeks. So hopefully that will allow us to start auto trading with a little bit more confidence and some settings that will help us filter out certain calls as well, along with their trading bot updates as well. Now Rect, I do not know much about Rect. I haven't used it yet, but some people are saying it's quite good, has some good features about it. So I need to get up to speed with Rect myself. So if you are familiar with Rect, it is available on our Scrapbot, the new version. So make sure you utilize that if you do like Rect. Now, again, this Scrapbot is only available for premium members, like I mentioned earlier at the start. So if you do want to get involved, the link to the premium channel is in the description below. Or if you are interested in getting a 7-day access, put your hand up right now in the free Telegram chat to get access to that and have fun trying to have fun understanding how things work and whether you want to extend to a paid membership or not. Now we also have PumpFun bonding curve, like I mentioned, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95% bonding curve. So you can target these bonding curve percentages with the Scrapbot now in the new calls channel. So that'll be available once you move over to that calls channel and start using version 2.06 of the Scrapbot, which is pretty cool. Still got the old ones there that you can obviously filter out as well as much as you like. So good stuff, good additions. Thanks, Raf. Amazing stuff. Raf, and now Toti is also helping out Raf, doing an amazing job getting that calls channel changed over, switched over today. So give them a shout out on the channel, say thanks. Big thanks to Raf and Toti for the work they're putting in to get that channel changed over. So thanks, guys. And let's set up Maestro. Now, Maestro. Now, I've done a few videos, short videos on how to set up certain trading bots for the Scrapbot. A lot of them are fairly simple, fairly easy to do. Maestro is a different kettle of fish, to be honest. So like I said earlier, we have Rect and Bonkbot now. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 12 trading bots that you can utilize for the Scrapbot to auto trade our calls and also filter to your heart's content on how you want to filter those calls. So I'm just going to jump in and show you how to set up Maestro, which is a little bit more complicated than the usual TradeWiz or DeFi Solana bot. So you can target Maestro Pro if you're a pro user. You can also target Maestro, the regular bot, as well. So that's handy to have as well. So to set up Maestro, now I'm going to go through a couple of slides and then I'm going to do a demo anyway on the Telegram. So don't worry. I'm not just going to show you a couple of slides and then expect you to understand how it works. So we'll go through how to set up with the Scrapbot Maestro. So when you hit onto the start of the Maestro bot, you'll have this menu here. We'll have wallets, call channels, pre-sale, copy trade, auto snipe signals. You just want to check or select call channels, and call channels will take you to the chains. You need to select your chain. Obviously, we're going to select Solana. We're on the Solana blockchain. Once you select Solana, you then need to go to this menu and you can select Me. Now, Me is when you send your own calls over to Maestro. Now, Maestro also have their own scraper, but we don't use that. We're just going to use Me, and then you need to select Me. So once you select Me, you'll get another menu, just like this. From there, you'll need to enable auto buy and the various elements for the auto buy you want. So we have a lot of features here for Maestro. One of the things I think is great with Maestro, there's a lot of things you can change and you can edit to adjust the calls how you want them. So I love that. It's just really a little bit complicated. So now we have all of these features available to set up Maestro for the Scrapbot. And these are auto buy. So you want to activate auto buy, which is activated there. If that has a cross on it, then just click on it, activate it, and it will be ticked like that. Once you have that ticked, you're good to go. Then you can adjust the buy amount. So make sure you add in the amount you want to purchase for every token that comes through from the Scrapbot to Maestro. So here I've got 0.025. All you do is click on buy amount, set the number that you want, 0.025 or whatever number you want, and then you're good to go. Then you have slippage, gas delta, auto sell, and trailing sell. So you can activate these as well right here. Activate all these. Minimum market cap and maximum market cap is also very, very handy. Now, if the call comes through to the Scrapbot and it happens to jump outside of that market cap that you're looking at, because there's a bit of a time difference there, then you can actually set up some minimum and maximum market cap filters here that will either purchase the token if it fits within that range, or it will bypass that token if it goes outside of that range. So for example, I've got minimum market cap 100K, maximum 200K for my previous Scrapbot calls that I was doing. So anything that would sit outside of these ranges, Maestro would just bypass. If it would fit, if it came through inside these ranges, then it would purchase. So always good to set those up. That you also have minimum liquidity, max liquidity, market cap liquidity, sell high and sell low. So you've got your take profit high and you've got your take profit low, and then you've got the amounts that you want to set for each particular section. So again, this is a little bit more complicated than your other bots, because these other trading bots that we're used to, if you click on sell high, then you just set the amount in the chat section. But here you've got the sell high, sell low, and then you've got the sell high amount, the sell low amount. So it's all a little bit long-winded in a sense, but it's still a very, very good trading bot. You just need to get used to the differences between this and other trading bots that you might be used to. So that is a way to set up your auto buying with the scraper bot. But you're not finished yet. There is some other things you need to think about when it comes to Maestro. Now you can see over here we've got multi crossed out. We don't want multi, but you can see next to it we've got global disabled. So you'll have the same thing next to auto buy. Auto buy will also be global disabled if you have not enabled that yet. So auto sell is the same, will be disabled if you have not enabled that in the global settings. So this is to activate auto buy for individual tokens on your scraper bot, and every token that comes through will follow these settings. But if you have not enabled your global settings, then it will not work. So don't forget the global settings. So when you go back to the start menu, you go back to the calls channel. Sorry, it's wrong. Go to the wallets. So you'll need to go to the wallets now, not the calls channel. I'll fix that later. Wallets. Obviously, you're going to select the Solana chain. And then when you select the Solana chain of your wallet, you will have these settings here. So you'll see auto buy is enabled here and auto sell is enabled, and then you'll need to go over to config. So if you want to config these settings, just hit config, and then you'll get the buy and the sell buttons below here. So this will change, this menu will change to this menu. Hit buy and hit sell, and you get these menus in order to configure your global settings for buy and sell. So obviously you want to activate auto buy and you want to activate auto sell, and if you're doing trailing sell and auto sell retry, you can do that as well. And again, for your global settings, you can set all of these specific settings, market cap, liquidity, gas, and etc. You can set these globally as well, and then that will be overridden by your local settings or your separate call settings that you've set up earlier. So again, it's very tricky. Maestro can be a bit confusing. You need to set up your calls that come through to from the scraper bot. You need to set up those settings first, and then you need to set up your global settings. So don't forget that as well. So let's jump in and have a quick look, if I may. So what you want to do is hit sniper there, and that'll get you the main menu. Like I said, there's two channels that you need to update: the calls channels and the wallets. The wallets is your global settings, and the call is your individual scraper bot settings. So hit calls, hit Solana, and then hit me, and then you'll get your settings for your the calls that come through from the scraper bot. So make sure auto buy is active, like I said, and then go through and update all of those settings. Market cap, activate it how you want your calls to be filtered. It's very handy to have all these filters. It works quite well. I've tried it a number of times, and all those edits that you make will be updated here once you make those edits. So you'll see, right, deactivate, it's now deactive. So you can see here multi is disabled. I don't really bother about multi. Multi means if you have multiple wallets, it'll switch between the wallets if something fails, or if a wallet runs out of money or something like that. So it'll just choose whichever wallet. So you don't have to worry about that so much. So that is for the calls. Now you just go back and we go to wallets. Now wallets, click Solana, and you have your Solana wallet global settings. Now you need to hit config, and you'll have buy and sell. So now you can go in and set up your buy stuff, activate your auto buy. That is your global settings to make sure that is active. If that is not active, then your Scrapbot will not, your trading bot will not buy the token when it comes through. It will just ignore it. So again, your global settings, you can set your market caps as well, liquidity and your gas, etc. These are all global settings. So if you don't have any individual settings set up for your scraper calls, then it'll probably use these. So that is pretty much the most part. Now, obviously there's a lot more to setting up the scraper bot than just adding Maestro to the calls. There is a lot of, there's installation, there's understanding how things work. So if you are a premium member and not quite sure yet how to understand the scraper bot, how to install the scraper bot, make sure you check out the videos on the Academy side of the channel. There's a lot of videos installing and setting up the scraper bot. Now, if you want to utilize Maestro bot for any of these calls here, just select any one of the calls that you want to target. Let's go premium gambles and just hit channels. And from channels, you'll be able to select your bot. Obviously, you want to select, if you're using Maestro, select Maestro. Now, if you're a Pro member, you can use Maestro Pro as well. So you obviously know or must understand that when you select Maestro Pro, the calls are going to go into the Maestro Pro bot. If you're not a Pro user, then obviously use Maestro, the normal version, and the calls will go into the normal version. So from here, you can set many filters. Enable buys 5 minutes, enable sells 5 minutes, etc., etc. There are a lot of filters that you can utilize, meta filters, as well as special commands, buy delay. There is an endless amount of filters that you can utilize if you find a good strategy that you can send these calls to Maestro, and Maestro will automatically buy these based on your global and your calls settings. So again, do not forget that when you go into the main menu, you have two sections, the calls, channels, as well as the wallets. So global and calls. So you have your global settings and you have calls. You have to activate the global settings as well in order to get that working. So make sure you remember that. Now let's have a jump in and have a look at some PumpFun volume. Now, I don't imagine that there's going to be a lot of volume over the next week or two, but you never know. You never know. Actually, we'll look at this one. I want to do this comparison every week. Make sure we check the volume of PumpFun every week because it's going to be very relevant. Obviously, it's very relevant to what we do in regards to trading meme tokens. So we need to keep an eye on the volume. If the volume is good, then it's good. We're good to go on probably upping our positions for trading the calls and trading the signals. But if the volume is not so great, then the risk is a little bit higher because there's not much volume. So when I say not much volume, I mean last week 1.8 billion in volume for PumpFun is not little. So if you go back to the earlier days of May, June, July, it was absolutely small, but I still remember those around that period, how much hype PumpFun had behind it. And now look at it, it's doubled, in more so tripled in some cases, especially the end of November, towards the end of November. So the first week of December, 2.1 billion. Second week of December, 1.8 billion. And I imagine this week and next week will be lower again. So, if you want to continue to try and trade the calls, by all means, there's plenty of calls. I mean, if we go over to, let's have a look. If we have a look at the daily tokens being called every day, pretty much an average of about 40,000 tokens a day are launching on PumpFun. So there's still obviously a lot of money being moved through PumpFun. 2.1 billion, 1.8 billion in volume per the last week. So that is absolutely insane to consider. It's just absolutely insane. And the meme tokens are absolutely killing it compared to any other narrative on the crypto market right now. So really interesting. Like I said, the volume for PumpFun likely to be dropping. I'll still be trading. I'll still be doing as much as possible, copy trading as much as I can, as well as doing some manual trading, trying to get my head around a bit more manual trading side of things, always learning when it comes to trading meme tokens. So I want to learn as much as I can, even when the volume is getting lower over these Christmas and New Year weeks. So keep an eye out for that. I'll talk about that again next week, and we'll see how, actually, next week I need to talk about it. We'll come back and revisit these volume stats over the next couple of weeks and see how things panned out for PumpFun. And if the market comes back, you never know, the volume might go up again. So over the next couple of weeks, we'll see. What other great stats do we have here? Graduated tokens the last 24 hours. The highest graduated token went to 9.8 million. Trench AI. Jugs, Lawn, Alpha, Kevin, Axis. So we had a number of tokens hitting the $1 million mark. So that's pretty good. Wow. So this is interesting, shows you the month. So it looks like the month of November. 1.2 million tokens launched, 17,000 graduated, 1.4%. October graduated 1.5%. And September, look at that jump, that's incredible. Just went, October, November just went skyrocketed. It's interesting to see that the more tokens we launch, that are launched, the more difficult it is to graduate, and the less tokens that graduate. So very interesting that. Cumulative addresses, total addresses, it's absolutely insane. Nothing even comes close to PumpFun and Solana right now when it comes to meme tokens. There's a good stat here, graduated tokens versus launched tokens. Still getting a very similar amount of, you can see a gradual decline there of the volume. So it's very, very interesting looking at the PumpFun volume stats. Need to keep an eye out on this for over the next couple of weeks, and as the new year comes through as well, we'll keep coming back to this and make sure we keep an eye on the volume, because that will definitely impact our trading for sure. Have we got any takers for the 7-day access? We've got one taker. Well done. One person has taken the 7-day access, so that's well done. Congratulations. So this week I did a copy trading video comparing copy trading bots. Now I could do many videos on comparing copy trading bots. Now I've done one, or this is my second one actually. This is the first one I did Trojan TradeWiz, and now I've done 5 trading bots compared. What I consider the best trading bots, copy trading bots on the market right now, but there's obviously a lot more copy trading bots out there. So if anyone has any requests, you want me to do another video comparing other bots, I'm happy to do that. I'm currently testing Sharp AIO CLI bot with TradeWiz. I'm comparing the entries for those and the exits for those trades between the Telegram TradeWiz bot as well as the command line Sharp AIO bot. So very interesting to see how those results pan out as well. I'm not sure if I'll do a video on it. I may report on it in the premium channel, but I'm very curious to see how that pans out. This week's video, I compared the 5 Telegram, well not all Telegram, but the 5 copy trading bots, TradeWiz, DBot, Bloom, Odin, and Trojan. Now Odin bot, well Odin is a web-only bot or trading bot. The others are Telegram, with DBot also having a web side of things, but TradeWiz soon will have also a website which will be a complementary how to say it? Be a complementary, will work in conjunction with the Telegram bot, I should say. Now I want to quickly go through these very interesting features for these trading bots. Quickly run through these. Telegram, web Telegram, Telegram web only, Telegram. Now the price for all of these bots are free, except for DBot has an upgraded version where you can reduce the fees as well as get enterprise access through an API. Not sure of the business application for that. I'm sure there is definitely one available, but I'm curious to find out how that would work. Now the trading fees for each bot, 1% trading fee goes to Trojan, 0.5 for DBot, 1 for Bloom, 1 for Odin, and 1 for Trojan. Now the speed, I have done speed tests. I'll go through those details in a minute. We have backup bots for pretty much all of these except for Odin, which being a web bot. So there you go. Copy trading limit of wallets. Now TradeWiz has 20 wallets as a limit until you add more volume to the bot. If you add more volume, 10,000 per 10,000 USDT, you will get 10 more wallets access. And I'm not sure about the other ones yet because I haven't used them extensively. Trojan I've used a lot, but I forget if there is a limit. I'm pretty sure it's probably 20 actually. So someone might correct me on that. Fees and gas and tips and slippage. Most of these bots, you're able to adjust the gas, the slippage, and the tips for individual wallets throughout the bot. So that is very good. The most advanced ones are really our TradeWiz, DBot, and Bloom. The other two, Odin and Trojan, are a bit more basic. But if you want a bit more access, a bit more control over this area of the trades, gas, tips, and slippage, then TradeWiz, DBot, and Bloom are the ones to go for. Anti-MEV, they all have anti-MEV, except for, well, Trojan has anti-MEV, but it's global, so you can't set that for individual wallets. Now you can limit the investment. Now some of the features on these trading bots are incredible. You can limit the investment per wallet for TradeWiz. So that means you can tell the bot to say, well, once it reaches 0.5 Sol, I don't want you to trade that trading bot anymore. Same for DBot, wallet balance percentage, you can limit that. Now for Bloom, as well as Odin, you cannot limit as far as I can tell. And Trojan you can, but it's fixed, which is not a problem really. Buy filters, a lot of buy filters for some of these bots, which is incredible. Now TradeWiz has minimum and maximum buy filter, so maximum amount you want to spend per trade. A percentage as well, limit number of buys per wallet. So if a wallet buys multiple times, you can limit that to 1 or however many you want. Traders, min-max limit as well. So if they spend a lot more Solana per trade, then you can filter those out as well. Max fixed ratio, traders by range is for DBot as well. Now Bloom has some extensive stuff. Max traded tokens, first interaction, max buy only once, min-max buy, limit for wallet, buy exact, buy percentage, buy fixed. So Bloom has some extensive filters for that, which is fantastic. Again, for Odin, we have fixed size, percentage of wallet, max buys per hour, max buys per day, max buys per token per day, max buys per token per week. So that's very interesting, very different as well. Trojan, minimum buy. It's very simple. Token filters, min-max market cap for TradeWiz, minimum LP, unburned, unrenounced. Now you have also for DBot, freezable, mintable, delegated, min LP burned, min liquidity, token holding, token holders, top 10 percentage, token age, min market cap range, which is extensive for DBot, which is pretty good. Min market cap, max market cap, blacklist for Bloom, nothing for Odin, min liquidity, min max market cap, blacklist, only renounced for Trojan. Now we also have DEX targeting. Now TradeWiz has PumpFun and Radium, DBot, Radium, Meteora, Pump, Dupe, Moonshot, and Orca, so that's pretty good. Pump, Moonshot, and Other for Bloom, Pump for Odin, and exclude Pump tokens on Trojan. Now take profits all have those except for Odin, doesn't seem to have take profits yet. Stop loss, they all have those except for Odin. And trailing stop loss, no trading bots have that yet. So I'm waiting for one of these bots to organize a really good trailing stop loss. So that'll be a huge thing if it does come about. Retries, we have TradeWiz, 3 retries on the sell. I think that's buy and sell, sorry. 3 retries on the buy and sell. I believe that's right. DBot, buy and sell 10 times. If you want to retry 10 times. Bloom, 3 different regions, which is a very interesting feature from Bloom. You can have 3 retries from different regions. Odin, nothing, and yes for Trojan, 5 retries for that. Sell options, copy sells, take profit stop loss, copy sells plus take profit stop loss in conjunction. And the same for DBot. Follow sells, dev sells, bundle tip, TPSL for Bloom, which is very interesting. And Odin sell 100%. Copy sells, TPSL for Trojan. Now the copy sell ratios is available for all trading bots except for Trojan, which means you can follow the same sells that the trading bot does, that the wallet you're copy trading. So that's pretty handy. And all of the bots have available the ability to manually sell only, so you can avoid following the copy sells and just manually sell. Now there's some really interesting unique features for each trading bot. Auto sell after pump migration, and sell if the dev sells for DBot, which is pretty impressive. I think that's a fantastic filter or fantastic tool to have. Auto sell after pump migration, sell if dev sells is very, very good. Multi-region for Bloom, which means you can target US, you can target 2 in Europe as well, and it will do that automatically if you set that up accordingly as well. So that is very, very handy. Degen mode for Odin, cross mirror trading prevention as well for Odin. Not 100% sure about what that means, but I'm not sure I'm going to find out either, because not too impressed with Odin, to be honest. Now the test trades I did 5 test trades with all of these trading bots by doing trades myself. I did the trades with the master wallet, and I set up the trading bots to do the actual copy trades on that particular wallet. So if you want to check out that video, the link is in the description below. If you want to check out the full video, see how that panned out, please do so. But each trade, I broke it down into certain aspects. Position that the wallet got in, the block, the timestamp, the amount of fees spent, the tokens that were bought, the tokens that were sold, position, ROI, block, timestamp, and fees for sell. So we have the buy and the sell, and it was very interesting to see the results. The block numbers that the tokens got in on was very fast for all of them. So they're all very fast, except for Odin maybe. They're all very, very, very similar speed, getting in on the first and the second block after the initial trade, depending on the market cap, of course. And all these tokens were different market caps to testing different levels as well. So good idea to watch that full video and get an idea of all this data here. I've highlighted all the ones that won these specific parameters for each particular trade, and I did a little add up of that down the bottom here, and we've got the position, the buy block, the buy fees, tokens in, which means the amount of tokens that were bought with the same position, because these were all the same position, 0.02. And obviously you're not going to spend 0.02 every time because you've got the fees, and you've also got the position, the price that you get in on as well. So all of these token purchases are going to be very different depending on the time frame and depending on the position that you buy in. So I broke all that down, and we got position, the best position over time for these 5 trades was Trojan. The buy block speed was Trojan and Bloom. The buy fees were Odin and Dbot. The token purchasing, or the position in SPL, Trojan and Bloom. The ROI percentage was Odin and Dbot. And then sell block speed was Dbot. The sell fees was Dbot, and the overall total, Dbot was the winner of that. But I must say, in my opinion, TradeWiz is still my favorite trading bot for copy trading. The combination of ease of use with the Telegram interface, it's still the same speed as pretty much all of these bots it's showing in that speed test, or in those examples there. Really not missing out by much, and often equaling the speed of these other bots. So I need obviously to do more tests. These are only 5 trades, so it's not really going to tell us a big story over 5 trades. And you can see here, some of these bots missed the trades. Like we have Odin missed that trade. These 3 bots, Odin, Bloom, Dbot missed that trade, and then Odin missed this trade. So there's a lot more factors involved in this. I need to do like 50 trades at least to get some good data. But from my experiences, TradeWiz, for the ease of use with solid copy trading filters, is the best. Then Dbot is fantastic if you're looking to raise your game with their filters. And Bloom, I would say, is a solid alternative. The other 2, I don't really recommend so much. Trojan and Odin, a bit too simple, a bit too far behind in regards to when it comes to copy trading. So that's my thoughts regarding that video. Let me know in the comments or in the Telegram if you want me to do some more tests on other bots as well in relation to copy trading. I'll be happy to do that. Like I said, I'm doing Sharp AIO right now compared to TradeWiz. So I'm keen to look at how things progress or how things perform between those 2 trading bots when it comes to copy trading. Now we have, don't forget, we have our Sol airdrop, which is happening on Christmas Day. I'm going to be giving away 1 Solana to someone who provides a success story or a testimonial of their experience with the DGen Meme Calls premium channel. Now, the link to that particular form or submission is in the premium channel. I'm posting that pretty much every day, so keep an eye out for that for a chance. Fill in that form, very, very easy to do. Fill in that form, tell us a testimonial about using DJ Meme Calls, or even a success story on your trading or copy trading when it comes to using our channel, and be in the running to win that 1 Sol prize or giveaway on Christmas Day. So keep an eye out for that. The link is in the channel for you guys. Still a couple more days to go yet, so still time to get involved. Today's daily quiz. Let me just jump over to the daily quiz. Now, yesterday's questions, let me just jump. Yesterday's daily quiz. Now, I haven't got a quiz yet for today, so let me know if you have any ideas for a quiz before I post it up later on today. I'll do that in the next hour or so. So if you want me to focus on a quiz on a certain topic, let me know. But this quiz was on security, token security, and we have a few questions on token security. What does it mean when a token is still mintable? So what are the answers? Can also be an NFT. The tokens are in mint condition. Sounds reasonable. More tokens can be created and dilute the supply. you are left with a minty aftertaste after being rugged. Yes, I've had that happen before. The answer for that was more tokens can be created and dilute the supply. So that is obviously a red flag. If a token is still mintable, try and avoid that if you can. What does it mean when tokens are freezable? Can keep for many weeks in the freezer? Potentially. Contract can be frozen, not allowing withdrawals. Completely safe to invest in. Now this is pretty obvious. Contract can be frozen, not allowing withdrawals. So essentially it's a honeypot. If you invest in such a token, then you're not going to be able to withdraw from that token. So avoid tokens that are still open to be frozen in regards to the contract. So avoid those. Which top 10 holders scenario is best? If the top 10 holders have 12% of the token supply, 30%, 45%, and 10%. Now, obviously, you want the top 10 holders of the token to be holding as little as possible. So obviously 10% was the correct answer for that one. Now, what is best for a token? When you burn the liquidity for a token, you want how much of that liquidity to be burnt? 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. You want 100% of that liquidity burnt. If that is not burnt, that is also another red flag, potentially. So keep an eye out for all of those potential red flags. Top 10 holders, burnt liquidity 100%, contract not freezable anymore, and contract not mintable anymore. So you want those, you want to check those out wherever you're doing your trading, whether it's GMGN, Photon, Dex Screener, or through another trading bot, GMGN on the web or on the Telegram. Make sure you check out for these particular tokens. Let me know if you have any quiz questions that you want me to focus on, or if you have an idea for a quiz. I'll be putting it up in the next hour. So let's have a look and see. Actually, we had one more response. Let me just add this one response and we'll do a spin to see who wins the 0.1 Solana for today. And we have, I've already got that guy. Who's not in there? Matt's there. This guy. Nope. Oh, that was close. Let's spin that wheel. Dick Paxton, are you there? Yep. Must be the first one. Rob's there. So 3 points for you. So who's going to win that 0.1 Sol today for the daily quiz? The next daily quiz will be an hour away, so make sure you keep an eye out on the channel for that. That'll be posted on the premium channel. So let's spin that wheel. Who's going to win the 0.1 Sol tonight? Matt again. Woohoo! Matt is a big winner. Gotta be in it to win it. That's the third time Matt has won the spin the wheel for daily quiz. So congratulations, Matt. I'll be airdropping your Solana shortly after the live stream finishes. Now we need to jump in and do the P&L card winners, the big prize. We've got 0.5 for the first place and 0.25 for second place of the P&L card winners. And the two DJ Meme Calls premium 7-day access. Already given one away for that in the live stream. Is there anyone else wanting to put their hand up to get access to the premium channel for 7 days to figure out whether it's something they want to jump into and be a subscriber for? Very well worth it if you are serious about trading meme tokens, I can assure you that. So we have one winner for that so far, waiting for a second one on that one. But before we do that, let's jump in and reveal the P&L card winners for this week. We have your Royal Freshness, the highest ROI, 1593. And we have Eternity, I can't even pronounce that. Eternity, I don't know. Eternimus, you win second place again this week. Well, you won it last week as well with 1,183% gains, $3,800, absolutely printing money. That is amazing. So we're gonna have Eternimus at some point give us some more tips, some more professional tips about copy trading, because they are absolutely printing money right now. So we're gonna have to figure out how we can get tapped into that brain, I think. Let's figure that out. Congratulations, Freshness and Eternimus. You guys are the big winners for the P&L cards this week. Fantastic. Welcome aboard, new members. Nice one. And that is the P&L cards for this week. Good luck, guys. Merry Christmas. No Meme Monday next week, being, you know, the Christmas week and then New Year and everything. Keep the P&L cards coming, though. If you are still trading, make sure you keep the P&L cards coming, because I'll still do the airdrop for the P&L cards if we get enough entries for those. So if we don't, no worries. We'll just double up next Meme Monday. So all good. No problems at all. But yeah, if you are still trading, don't be shy. Jump in the channel, send in your P&L cards. Let's get them working and do some more airdrops for next week. But there will be no Meme Monday. Next Meme Monday will be in the new year. So from Meme Monday, thanks again, guys, for joining us all year for all these Meme Mondays. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We will still be very, very active on the channel over the next week or so. So nothing's going to change there. We're obviously updating the new channel today. So make sure you keep active, stay on the scene with meme calls, and keep trading as best you can. Let us know if we can help you in any way with your meme trading, your copy trading, or whether you're doing the scraper calls. Let us know how we can help. We're available every day, even over Christmas. So don't be shy, guys. Let us know. And with that, I will once again say Merry Christmas. Thanks, guys. Happy New Year. And let's hope for an even bigger 2025 next year. So let's see what happens with the bull run. Let's make some absolute big gains for the meme tokens with this DGen meme calls. Thanks for coming on board. Thanks for joining us. And I'll talk to you soon. Cheers, guys. Have a great week. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Talk to you soon.